Hi darlings, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Adejoke, or if you're new here, you're welcome to my channel, guys. You're welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. So yeah, today is a weekday. That's why my hair is like this. I'm in this salon going to get my hair done, so I'll be showing you guys the process of getting my hair done here. I hope it goes over. Fingers crossed. Yes, to see you.
I can't pretend it, can't pretend, oh no. Whoa. I can't pretend it, don't feel right, no, don't feel right. I can't pretend it, I can't pretend it, don't feel, no, don't feel right. I can't pretend it, don't feel right. You say I'm out my mind, that I'm paranoid and full of jealousy, but I don't mind all your lies, 'cause your behavior's never changed and I can see. When you kiss me, when you hold me, I can feel your touch so cold. Try to fight it, can't deny it, now I know the flame has gone. If you were to leave me, I would be fine. You know I don't need you wasting my time. Try to fight it, can't deny it, 'cause this feeling's way too strong. So if I turn to leave, hold on, you question me. No, you ain't gonna play me twice. No, I gave you honesty, but you ain't done for me. I can't pretend it don't feel right. Twisted truth, deja vu, and I've been down this road 'cause we've been here before. I'd be a fool to see this through. If you ain't trying, I don't want this anymore. When you kiss me, when you hold me, I can feel your touch so cold. Try to fight it, can't deny it, now I know the flame has gone. If you were to leave me, I would be fine. You know I don't need you wasting my time. Try to fight it, can't deny it, 'cause this feeling's way too strong. So if I turn to leave, hold on, you question me. No, you ain't gonna play me twice. No, I gave you honesty, but you ain't done for me. I can't pretend it don't feel right. No, I can't pretend it, I can't pretend it don't feel, I can't pretend it don't feel right. No, I can't pretend it, I can't pretend it don't feel, I can't pretend it don't feel right.
Turning up emotional faders, keep repeating self-hating phrases. I have heard enough of these voices, almost like I have no choice. This is biological stasis, my mood shifting too many places. Wish I loved and kept the good friendships. Watch life, here I go again. I can't see me cry, can't see me cry ever again. I can't see me cry, can't see me cry, this is the end. My biggest enemy is me, Papa 911. Biggest enemy is me, Papa 911. My biggest enemy is me, ever since day one. Papa 911, Papa 911. Keep my doors inside diamond boxes, save them till I know I'm gonna drop this front I've built around my oasis. Paradise is in my head, holding on so tight to this status. It's not real, but I'll try to grab it, keep myself from beautiful places. Paradise is in my head. I can't see me cry, can't see me cry ever again. I can't see biggest enemy is me, Papa 911. My biggest enemy is me, ever since day one. Papa 911, Papa another one. I can't see me cry, can't see me cry ever again. I can't see me cry, can't see me cry. This is the end. My biggest enemy is me, Papa 911. Biggest enemy is me, Papa 911. My biggest enemy is me, ever since day one. Papa 911, then Papa another one. Ooh, 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 ooh.
In a cold night, emptiness haunted me. I saw a light, but it was too dark for me. I heard you calling, I saw your sleepless face and I fell hard. I guess I'm falling for you, girl, I can reach the stars. Oh, the nights when you couldn't sleep, I was there carrying my gun, shooting at the demons, see your dreams, making them more fun. Yeah, and if you wanna run away from the best you've done, yeah, I'll be there to save the day. I'll be your rising sun. I was cold, you gave me warmth when no one did. I was lost, you showed me love and how it feels. I heard you calling, I saw your sleepless face and I fell hard. I guess I'm falling for you, girl, I can reach the stars. Oh, the nights when you couldn't sleep, I was there carrying my gun, shooting at the demons, see your dreams, making them more fun. Yeah, and if you wanna run away from the best you've done, yeah, I'll be there to save the day. I'll be your rising sun. Have you ever had the feeling that, like, there's no hope anymore? And then someone walks in your life and just light it up, or more like screw it up again. Well, I guess this is the main reason why I'm writing this song. Yeah. I heard you calling, I saw your sleepless face and I fell hard. I guess I'm falling for you, girl, I can reach the stars. Oh, the nights when you couldn't sleep, I was there carrying my gun, shooting at the demons, see your dreams, making them more fun. Yeah, and if you wanna run away from the best you've done, yeah, I'll be there to save the day. I'll be your rising sun. I'll be your rising sun.
Wanna know how good he makes me feel. Oh girl, come take a seat. Think about how it feels when you sit down, when all day you've been on your feet. When you're getting a back rub and the night just releases. When you've been on a strict diet and the day comes for cheating. When you let your head down when it's been up all day. When you're lost mentally and take time to pray. They say after you meditate, tell me sis, can you relate? That's how it feels. Is he for real?
That's how you know, that's how you know you found real love. That's how you know, that's how you know you found love. That's how you know, that's how you know you hit a jackpot, girl, when you found love, feel it in your gut.
Have you ever found some change at the bottom of your purse? Have you had someone make your day when you feel at your worst?
Girl, there ain't nothing better than that feel. I know it all so well. From the way that you smile and talk about him, I can tell.
You got me so strong, just like that T-Pain song. Never thought I'd get here the way these men be doing wrong.
Yes, I know it. Trust me, I get it. Been there so many times. Real men are so damn hard to find.
That's how I know, that's how I know I found real love. That's how I know, that's how I know I found love. That's how I know I hit the jackpot. Girl, I know I found love, I feel it in my gut, yeah.
Baby girl, your gut don't lie. You better trust that feeling. It don't lie.
That's how I know.
Yeah. That's how you know.
I still remember the feeling. I wanna dance till I can't no more. All of this time I've been dreaming, dreaming on the dance floor. I still remember the feeling. I wanna dance till I can't no more. All of this time I've been dreaming, dreaming on the dance floor, dance floor. Tell me you still remember. One day we'll be together. It's you and me forever. Dreaming on the dance floor, dance floor. One day we'll be together on the dance floor. Dreaming on the feeling.
We good. Yeah, I think that's and the length. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's like
Oh my
26 inches.
It's so sweet. Like the length is so nice. The color, everything.
Yeah,
I like it.
me too. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're not done taking pictures. If I have pictures for myself.
Still not the type that likes baby hair.
I don't like baby hair. I don't like baby hair.
For God to be, this result is amazing.
You guys see my hair, brah. It's pretty. Thanks to
Hi, baby.
Jamie. You guys patronize her. She's really good and she's a happy person. I love my hair. Thank you.
I'm glad you love it. Like, I'm really glad you love it. Thank you for trusting me because
You're
I don't think I've
welcome.
ever posted.
All your